Welcome fellow restaurateurs to the ultimate insider's guide to the art of restaurant management. From the menu mastery to service savior fee, we have got the insider tips and tricks to help you navigate the challenges and savor the success of running a top-notch dining establishment. So let's start the video. So this is our login page and you can put your username and password here and click on login. So this is how our dashboard page looks like. And so first of all, we will update our profile. So in profile details, you can mention your full name, the restaurant name, mobile number and email ID. So there are three options in profile: restaurant details, location and images. So in restaurant details, there are few points: order, prefix, the title of the restaurant, restaurant close message, that is it's closed, description, and you can also disable and enable these points, that is dine in, home delivery. You can also mention the descriptions of the home delivery, that what is the minimum order amount and what is the maximum distance for your charges, and the delivery radius and how much of radius you can deliver the order, or the delivery charges per kilometer. And the next option is takeaway. Here also you can mention your description of like home delivery. And the next option is seal deal, the text numbers. There are few text numbers, the configuration, club mode status, restaurant status, and the restaurant timings. And in location, you can mention your full address, country, state, city, pin code, longitude, and latitude. And in images, you can add up your banner, the icon of your restaurant. So coming to the dashboard page, here you can see your amount of total order, the count of total order, and order type wise. In order type wise, there are three options, that is dine in, takeaway, and home delivery. Here it is shown the amount of according to the order, and here it is the payment mode. The payment mode can which is the like by which mode the payment is made. That is either it is from card, either it is from cash, or it is from UPI. So if there is any text breakup, that will be shown in these records like CGST or SGST. Coming to the point, voucher point. So here you can create the vouchers. So vouchers can be asked by the customer in return of cash, either for himself, or he or she can refer to someone as a gift or anything else. And so from here you can create the voucher. You can add the amount here, expiry date of the voucher, and the payment type, that is credit and debit card, cash, bank transfer, mobile wallet, so on. Also, you can also see that whether the voucher has been consumed or not. So coming to the printer point, if there is any printer, you can add the printer name here, like your by your name or by the restaurant name. Also, you can make that printer the default printer. Coming to the restaurant setup point, so there are five sub points here: the aggregator, payment mode, table, text, and timing group. Coming to the aggregator point, so aggregator is what, from whom you are getting your orders. Suppose if you are getting your orders from Zomato, so you can create a head from Zomato. And if you are getting from order from Swiggy or Food Panda, from anywhere else, or from a person, you can add that person's name. Coming to the payment mode, so again, from which mode of payment you have made the payment, that is from card or bank account or UPI or cash, or you have received some discount or also. So you can create, if you want to add any other payment mode, you can create a new header from here. Coming to the table point, so table basically is used for the dine-in purpose. If a customer wants to book a table, so what he can see is, you can also create the new table here according to the number like 11, 12, 13, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, or the sitting capacity according to the customer preference and the maximum capacity. So in table you can also provide the QR code, so that customer don't want to ask for the menu. He or she can get the menu from that QR code, and so other things also. And these are the table numbers and the sitting capacity and the maximum capacity. Also, if the customer wants to merge tables, if a customer is come with his or her family, and there are large number of persons in his family. So you can also merge the tables from here. Like you want to merge one and two table or three or four table. Coming to the text point, so this is the point where you can levy the text. Like you want to levy text for CGST, VAT, SGST, GST. You can create new header of we create new head for the text from here. Suppose you want to create the head for GST, so you can put the GST, the text percentage, and the description from here. Coming on the point timing group. So timing group can be divided in few points. That is from restaurant. First is for the restaurant timings. If the restaurant manager wants to open his restaurant in timing slot, mm, suppose the manager wants to open the restaurant in morning from 8 to 11, or in afternoon in 1 to 3, or in evening from 8 to 11. So these can be grouped in restaurant timings from here, or if he wants to allow this timings all over the week, so you can allow it from here, and also mention the title of the timings and the timings to start from here, and you can apply it from here. Coming to second point of the timing group, so there are three meals: breakfast, lunch, and the dinner. You can also group the timings from according to the meals. So from the what's the breakfast timing is 8 to 11. So you can group the timings of breakfast from 8 to 11 from here. Or on Sunday you can change the timings around like 7 to 12 according to your preference. And also as same as the restaurant timings, you can allow all over the week here, and you can mention the timings, what's the start timing and what's the closing timings. As same the breakfast, you can also done it for do it for the lunch and the dinner. So third point in timing group is delivery, takeaway, and dine-in. You can also like divide the timings according to the dine-in time. Like what's the dine-in time? Suppose the dining time is 8 to 12. You can mention the title of the dine-in and the weeks, like on which days you want to mention it, or you want to apply for all days, or if you don't want to allow it on Monday or Tuesday, you can cancel it from there, and you can mention the timings from here. As same as the dine-in, you can do it for the delivery and the takeaway. So this is for the timing group. Coming to the menu point, there are 4 points in the menu points: category, item customization, condiments, and items. Coming to the category points, there are 2 points here: steal deal and food. So steal deal, if a what's in the steal deal? So if the customer is visiting daily, yeah, the customer is visiting your restaurant daily and he is ordering the same meal. So he can prepare his order once, okay, before consuming his meal, okay, so that he don't want to pay daily for the meal. Also he can gain profit for that. Like he has to maybe he wants to he can pay less for that, because he is preparing his order in once. So this is for the CD category. You can create the category from here, like in which category the item is coming. So you can mention the title here, the category icon, the timing group, like in which timings you are providing the item in dining and takeaway or delivery. And after that, that is category text. What's the text percentage you are levying on it, the printer, and the description for it. Again, coming on the food point, so you can add the food category from here. So as you can see that there are many food categories already created here: the soups, mild entries, vegetarian entries. So you can create new food category from here if you want to add something like a snacks. You can add the parent category here, or availabilities also, like in which at what time the order will be the item will be available on dine-in and takeaway or in delivery. The next is timing group. You can mention the timing again, category text, the printer, and the description also you can add the category item from here. Coming to the item customization. So if the like if the customer wants to customize his item, his or her item, you can create new header from here. As suppose sometimes we also customize the pizza with extra cheese or with extra jalapenos or olives. Also, the customer can customize his order from here. Like he wants to add some extra cream in his shake, extra ice cream. So you can create new header from here. The title, the customization type, like he wants to like he's asking for single item or multiple item adding or the fixed selection. Or you can mention the description how he or she wants to customize it. Okay, and the title, customize options, and rupees. Coming to the condiments. So what is the condiments is? So basically, you have seen that we can't give samosa without a chutney. So samosa with the chutney is mandatory. So that's how condiments work. So if someone has ordered the samosa, obviously you will give chutney with that. Or if someone has ordered the sandwich, you can give ketchup with that. So that was this condiments. You can create the header for that from here. Coming to the point item, again there is 2 points in items, steel deal and food. You can add some steel deal item from here. So in the steel deal item, you can add your item here, and also you can see the deleted list if someone has deleted some items here, or you want to search the specific item, you can search it from here. Coming to the food point, you can create like you want to add some food item here, so you can add it from here. The title, mention the title, the retail price of the food, the availability prices, the dine and take away and home delivery, like what will be the prices in dine in and what will be the prices of the take in and take away, in what category it comes under, the items taxes, like what percentage it will be, the taxes will be levied, and the condiments, the customization, printer, timing group, and the sticker. The sticker will be like a it's veg or non-veg or vegan or it's none. You can mention the description also. If any offer is applicable onto that item, you can also click it for that. If there is any image for the food, you can add the image also. Coming to the complementary head. So the complementary head is for like if the customer is in the relation from anyone like in the restaurant. If the customer is a relative or friend or family of the restaurant manager, so the manager can create a new head by his name. Okay, so the item or the order is the complimentary by him. So you can create the head by the manager's name to the customer who is related to. Coming to the staff point, you can there are 3 points in the staff: employee, delivery boy, and track delivery boy. If you want to see the whole staff, like you want to see how many employees are there in your restaurant, you can check it from here. So how many employees are there in your staff, or you want to add some new employee, you can create it from here. Their name, their last name, the mobile number, the email ID, and what's the gender, the employee type, and the date of birth. Coming to the point delivery boy, you can add or like check your delivery boys here, like how many delivery boys are working for you, or you want to add any other delivery boy, you can add it from here, same as the employee, first name, last name, mobile, email, and for how much charges he will take for per kilometer, the gender, the per day charges, and the date of birth. Next point is track delivery boy. If like your delivery boy going for the order, you can track it from here, like where he has been or like where he is. Coming to the point offers, there are 2 points in the offers: happy hours and the delivery offer. So in happy hour, so basically there are timings for the happy hours. Like you want to like for you want to offer you are applying offer for 2 days, Saturday or Sunday between 3 to 6 p.m. offers offer list from here. Like what is the offer type? Like you are applying offer for buy one get one free, or buy two get any free, or the flat discount to like a 120 rupees off or 100 rupees off, or the flat price like 10% off or 20% off. Like what's the title of the offer? Start date like and on Saturday, or like the start date is one and the end date is two. You can mention it here. The start timings like 3 to 6 you are applying for the offer. Like 3 to 6 and 6 will be the closing time. The availability is like you don't want to allow it in dining. You only want like you don't want to allow it in delivery or takeaway. You want to allow it only on dining. So you can apply it from here, and you want to applicate in the days for Saturday and Sunday, not on the all days. Or if you want to applying for the all days, you can do it from here. Coming to the delivery offer, so this offer is only for delivery purpose, delivery or takeaway purpose. You can create a new handle for that from here. The minimum amount of the offer, like below this amount the offer will not be applicable, or the maximum amount like below 2000, suppose below 2000 or 3, or like above 2000 or 3000, the offer is not applicable. Or the minimum order value, the 5 suppose the 500 is the minimum order value, below that offer will not be applicable for anyone. And availabilities is for the delivery and the takeaway. You can select the item from here, like on which item you want to get the applying the offer and the quantity of the item. Coming to the last third point, that is report. So report is for the sales report. If the manager wants to see the sales report for like since for the last 31 days, so if he wants to see the report of last 7 days, he can mention the date here. Or the manager wants to see the day like report for the last week or the last month, you can mention the date from here, like for the last month, and then for till today's date. You can and CAT report. You will get overall report from here. The sales report. Coming to the orders. So there are 3 points in the order: dine-in, delivery, take-away. Like how many orders are there you have received in dine-in? How many orders you have received in delivery? Or how many orders you have received in the takeaway? So coming to the last point, but not the least, that is history. If you want to see your orders history, like what in last month, how many orders you have received in last month, or what order you have received like 1 hour, 1 hour ago, or one day back. You can see it from here. You can mention the date, like in which department you have you want to see the order in takeaway or in home delivery or in dine-in. You can mention the date here, the end date, and you can get the report from here. So that's all for this website. Thank you.